Alright, now let's go ahead and add their death and recovery cases per 100 cases, or you can say per 100 confirmed cases. So those I'm gonna add here, that you can do with fig. Sorry, you have here a fig underscore DC. DC means here death and death per cases. Okay, so that's mean death per 100 cases. Then we have a px dot bar plot, and then we are gonna put there a same like country wise information. In fact, I'm gonna just copy it and paste it here. Whenever you are doing copy and paste, you need to pay their extra attention, so that you should not left any values which is a previous value like we did here. Anyway, so the first one is death per 100 cases, and then we have here recovery per 100 cases. So we need to get here death per 100 cases. That is here. Copy it. Death per 100 cases. Alright, and then we have here, and we also need to change here this color bar as well. So I'm gonna just put here some random color like F8 43 F8 4351. Alright, and then the next one we have here recovered per 100 cases. So there we have recovered per 100 cases. This one, copy and paste it here, copy and paste it here, and after that we also need to put here some other color here. So I'm gonna just put some random color here like A45 and 98. Alright, so we have now our death per 100 cases, recovery per 100 cases. Let's go ahead and add those here. You can just copy it and paste it here. So we have here death per 100 cases and recovery per 100 cases. That's going to be row 3 and row 3 column 2. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Once you run it, what do you see? I think these are the, let's go ahead and put some horizontal spacing a little more. Put it here 0.2. Alright, and let's go ahead and remove these vertical spacing to 0.5. Alright, so now what we have there, we have confirmed cases, death reported, then we have here recovered cases, active cases, and finally we have added their new cases, although we have not added it the titles. So let's go ahead and add those titles here as well. So the new title which we had just added there, that's the death per 100 cases, that you can paste it here, and then finally we have recovered per 100 cases. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Then you will see there you have got death per 100 cases and recovered per 100 cases. Alright, now in the next lesson I'll show you how you can add death per 100 recovery and cases per million people and all other things. So I'll see you in next lesson.